Yeah, the next thing to talk about is how to rename your WhatsApp group. If you want to change your WhatsApp group, how will you do it? And then if you have created a WhatsApp group, you have to tell your participants or your members what your WhatsApp group is about. Okay, so how are you going to do that too? And then what if somebody has joined your group, the person is spamming your group, the person is sending unnecessary messages there, so you want to remove the person? How will you do that? These are the three things I will be teaching you in this short video, so follow me step by step. If you've not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe now, okay? And then click the notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos you won't miss it. Now let's get back to the video. So you go to your group and then you either tap the empty space here, or you can still click on the three dots here, okay? And then you click on group info. So when you click that, it will also take you to the same place. So you see there is an inscription here: this group is created to help you learn well. Right? Good. So you can decide to type your group description here. Okay, maybe this group, maybe you are all welcome. Right, something like that. You click, after that you click what? Okay. And then the group description will be there for you. If you want to change the name of your group to at the same group info session, you click the pencil there. You see there is a symbol there looking like a pencil. You click it and then it will take you to the page where you can change your group name. So you see it has been written enter new subject, so you can type in the new name that you want to give to your group. After that you click on OK. Right, it will be changed to the name that you want to give to your group. And then the last thing is, let's take it as somebody has joined your group. The person is spamming your group, sending unnecessary messages to your group. You don't want the person to be there. You want to remove him or her, right? The only thing is you check the person's name or the person's contact in your group, then you click on it. When you click on the person's name or contact in the group participants or the members there, you see another pop-up message or menu having message the person, view, make group admin, remove, and then verify security code. So you click on remove the person and then you click on OK. So the person will now be removed from your group. Okay, as simple as that. The subscription button is still there, so if you've not subscribed yet, click on it to subscribe, and then you can click on the like button if you like this content. You can also share with family and friends. When you click on the subscribe button, don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos you'll be notified. Thanks for watching.